This simple math problem is breaking the internet. Do you know why? Because many people think that the answer is 4. How? 7 minus 6 as 1 and 5 minus 1 as 4 and 1 times 4 as 4. But all are wrong. Yes, because this is the wrong answer. When in expression you have multiple operation like subtraction, multiplication, then subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we solve the multiplication part. So multiplication in between 6 and 5. So 6 times 5 is 30 minus 1. Now there is a subtraction all over. So 7 minus 30 is minus 23 minus 1, which gives negative 24. So what is the correct answer? Negative 24, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.